Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I will show you how I create a traveler's notebook layout entitled Grow. And I'll be scrapping with this paper pack that's called Sweet Delight from Rosie Studios, and I'll be scrapping these two photos. Now, this is a traveler's notebook type mini album that I'm making for my mom about her garden. So I've been working on it. I started working on it months ago, but I keep getting more photos from her that I then scrap. So here you see me distressing the edges. So I already cut the paper pieces in the right sizes, and so now I'm distressing the edges just using a simple card to do that, rather than getting a distressing tool, which I don't think I can get locally. So I'm just going all around the edges, just rubbing the edge of the card along that, and then I start arranging everything. This paper circle is die cut and has a faux sewing edge, so I'm not actually distressing that. So this is what I'll do, and I'm starting to arrange everything first so that I know where things are going on this page. Now, in this case, I am actually treating this layout as two single pages, even though, well, it's two photos. It's my mom got a little greenhouse this year, and she's very happy about that, and so it's scrapping about her greenhouse. And the other picture shows the greenhouse inside, what's inside the greenhouse, and so the theme is a similar theme, but I'll be treating each side of each page just slightly differently. So here I'm gluing things, and then I'm arranging the various embellishments. These are flowers that I die cut. I actually just used watercolor on some watercolor paper and used that paper to die cut flowers and also my foliage and stuff. I kind of like the watercolor effect that you get, and so I do like to use those pre-watercolored papers for my embellishments and my die cuts. So here I'm just arranging the flowers that I cut around the page there, and then here are some word strip stickers. Actually, I made them stickers. So in that case, I actually typed them up in my Silhouette software, and then printed them out on sticker paper, and then with my Silhouette ran lines along the words to separate them, and now they're on a sticker sheet basically, and I can just pull them off my sticker sheet. I kind of like that, but I also like just having the strips on cardstock. I usually end up sticking those sticker word strips on cardstock and then cutting out that cardstock and gluing it back onto the page for a little more dimension. So here I also die cut the title using just one of my die cut alphas, and here I'm arranging it. It's a little bunting alpha that I have with my die cut stash, and so that makes a nice little title. And then it's going on to the next page, so that's one page done, and I am starting to deal with the other page here. And again, I'm distressing the edges of this strip of paper, though I won't be distressing the edge of the other two pieces of paper that I'll be using, because they are die cut pieces that are kind of look like notebook papers, and so I'm just leaving them as is because they have the die cut kind of edge. And these two pieces are also die cut pieces, just a shovel and a bucket, and so I die cut them previously on colored cardstock, and then glued them back together the way they're supposed to go together. And now I'm just arranging everything on the page. So here goes the first kind of notebook kind of paper, and then there goes the next one. And I always care about that the pattern will still be visible enough, because I love pattern paper, and that's what gets me into scrapbooking and all that. So I hate to cover up those pretty papers, and so I try to make sure that there's enough of the paper visible on my layouts as I put things together. So here are a few more of the embellishments, as I said, the die cut pieces, and then 2 more word strips will go on there. I think this is the inside of the bucket that I still wanted to make sure it's attached as well to the page, and then just a little more glue on the other parts, and then adding the 2 little word strips there at the bottom, and this finishes my 2-page layout, traveler's notebook style. So I hope you like this. If you do, consider giving it a thumbs up. And here are some more close-ups. Please consider subscribing. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.